Hey everybody, so today I have the Legend RC truck from Legendary. Quick disclaimer, this was sent to me for a review. I have wanted one of these for a long time, but just never got around to getting one. And it is definitely a lot of fun playing with these. As a kid, I played with them a little bit. As my adult life, not so much. But here is the car, or truck I should say. Looks like I need to pull off the plastic cover on it. You can see some scratches, but it looks really nice. Each wheel's got its own shocks. The tires themselves are squishy, and it's for off-road use, so you can get it wet and everything. You just don't want to submerge it into water. But I know I have seen where you can actually run it through water all the way up to pretty much the wheels, or at the top of the wheels. Then we have our controller here. Fairly simple, straightforward controller. And then we have our little goodie bag, which has our accessories. So we got our batteries and our charging cords. And then it looks like our LED lights are also in this bag. You get 2 of the charging cords. There is a brick included. You only get 1 brick though. And then there is a little bag with some extra parts and a little wrench tool. Alright, and this is also the Legendary toolkit if anybody has any interest in that. We just need to pull off these little tabs on the top. And then that's going to allow us to remove the body. And then here, I'm just kind of poking around a little bit. We got our little battery chamber. You just have to flip these little switches. And then once you have both of those flipped, you'll be able to pull that up, and our batteries. And you do get 2 batteries, which will give you up to 40 minutes of runtime. And there's a little adapter where you can connect both these batteries at the same time if you wish. Now to give you a little bit of a close-up, you can see each one has its own independent shock. It is 4-wheel drive. The wheels are squishy for that rough terrain. So you can take this over mud, dirt, some water, sand, all of that. The bottom of it. And then here's the little lid for the battery tray. So once you have that put on there, or put your battery in first, put that on. There's that little red button that powers it up. You can just stick this right back on. And just put your clips back in, and it's pretty much ready to go. Then I'll give you a quick look at the controller here. So it is trigger action. And then we got a power button. We got a couple different switches. One switch is for high and low, so you can actually turn down the speed. Got your power button there. You got some adjustments for like the wheels, where it will turn the wheels a little bit. You got your turn knob here. So pretty straightforward, pretty easy to use, and 3 AA batteries to power it. So as you saw, most of it's assembled right out of the box, but you just put your battery on, or battery in. And then we need to go ahead and run the LED lights. So there's 2 LED lights. There's red for the rear, and then there's the white ones for the front. And there's 2 little holes. You're just going to insert them on both ends. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to give it a try. So you're going to power that on. Press and hold. So yeah, press and hold for a couple seconds. You'll see the blue light flashing. Now it is working. Sucker's got a little bit of torque. You can see the lights on it here. They're fairly bright for itty bitty little LEDs. So let's go ahead and we'll take it out and we'll just play around with it. And it does get pretty fast. I don't have a huge area to play, but a little bit. I'll take it to the street here shortly, and then we'll see how fast it can go down the street. And like I said, it will handle mud and dirt and things like that pretty well. Yeah, I have to say that this car is pretty cool and pretty fast. If you're looking for a fun RC car, this is pretty fun and really easy to put together. There's like hardly any assembly. And I'm definitely going to take it out into some more crazy areas to try it out, like on rocks and stuff.